Discover the Serenity, understanding ocean view. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that paints a picture, a phrase that you might come across in travel brochures, real estate listings, or when booking a hotel room for a vacation. Yes, we're talking about the phrase, ocean view. It's simple, yet it carries a breeze of freshness and tranquility. So, let's dive in and understand what exactly ocean view means and how you can use it in your conversations. When we say a room, a house, or a restaurant has an ocean view, we're describing the type of scenery you can see from that location. It means that you can look out from a window, balcony, or any outdoor area and see the vast, beautiful expanse of the ocean. An ocean view is often associated with relaxation, luxury, and natural beauty. But there's more to this phrase than meets the eye. Not all ocean views are created equal. Let's talk about that. In the world of travel and accommodation, ocean view can sometimes be a vague term. There are actually subtle differences that can affect your experience. Partial ocean view. This means that the ocean is visible from a certain part of the room or property, but it might not be a full, unobstructed view. Perhaps there are trees, buildings, or other elements partially blocking the view. Full ocean view. Here, the view of the ocean is clear and expansive. Nothing significant obstructs your sightline from the horizon where the sky meets the water. Oceanfront. This term is often confused with ocean view, but it's different. Oceanfront means that the property is directly facing the ocean, with no obstructions at all. You're right at the water's edge. Understanding these differences is crucial when you're booking a place with the expectation of gazing at the ocean. Let's put our phrase into action. How can you use ocean view in a sentence? Here are a few examples. I booked a room with an ocean view for our honeymoon. The restaurant's ocean view made the dinner even more special. They own a villa with a stunning ocean view. Notice how ocean view can be a noun by itself or part of an adjective-noun combination like ocean view room. I hope this video has given you a clearer picture of what an ocean view entails. It's not just about seeing the water. It's about the experience and the beauty that comes with it. Whether you're describing a place, making a booking, or dreaming about your future home, ocean view adds a touch of magic to the conversation. Thank you for watching, and may your learning journey be as inspiring as the ocean itself.